So chemtrails. This would be a part 2 to chemtrails and hellfire. So we're not even going to discuss thermite this time, just to mention it. But aluminum oxide comes up a lot. So I did a little research here, and did a fuel oxidizer mixes. I'm going to read from one side of the list. First part I'm going to read, I'm going to consider the bases, which would be like bases like baking soda, and then the part 2 of the list will be the vinegar or acids, but most likely it's the oxidizers. So here we go. The first side of the list is potassium chloride, potassium permanganate, potassium nitrate, ammonium perchlorate or perchlorate or something, sodium perchlorate, barium nitrate, potassium perchlorate, and barium peroxide. So we already have one chemical that's used in chemtrails, the barium. Now we're going to go to the oxidizer side. Sulfur, magnesium, aluminum, iron, and that just about covers it. Now the interesting one is with the barium nitrate, magnesium, aluminum, and sulfur. Now those are all common elements as far as we're concerned. So if you spray barium and aluminum, sulfur occurs naturally everywhere. There's a lot of yellow on the rocks. It grows like a moss. And it would just take the magnesium to set it off. Not very cool for scientists who are supposed to be in the knowledge for climate control, and they're basically setting the world up for its own ignition. Now potassium and sodium and ammonia are all used in fertilizer. So if the government sprayed sulfur, barium, and aluminum, the farmer fertilizes his fields, he has all the active ingredients for his field to go off. All he needs is some idiot to flick a cigarette on his grass patch and burn, and his whole fucking field's gonna go up. Now think about that. What does that mean? When you throw the aluminum and the iron in there, and you're not going to put it out. Where's your light bulb? Huh? You're not going to have any sun without sunlight. Oh, I'm going to end it at that. The one thing though is a lot of these mixtures are neutralized by water. So as long as you're not in a drought situation, you should be fine.